Hi kids, I am Pepin. Today we're going to learn 4 fun English words. Are you ready? Let's go. First one, it's big. Look at this elephant. It's big. Can you say it with me? It's big. Wow, that's a big animal. Next one, it's small. Look, a little mouse. It's small. Say it with me. It's small. Ah, so tiny. Now, it's old. Here's an old car. It's old. Maybe it's from your grandpa's time. Can you say it? It's old. And finally, it's new. Wow, look at this shiny car. It's new. Repeat after me. It's new. Let's review together. It's big. It's small. It's old. It's new. Great job, everyone. You're amazing English learners. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more English fun. See you next time. Bye-bye.